Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do some handmade gifts for the special day that is coming up, the Valentine's Day. And I'm going to show you how to make very easy massage oil at home. And let's get started with the ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to make two kinds of massage oil. One will be just relaxing massage oil with floral hints in it, and the second one will be for like sore muscles, a relaxing massage oil. It can be given to your mother, your grandmothers, your dad, and believe me guys, they'll be thanking you so much for it. And it's a pretty simple recipe. So the first thing you'll be needing is your base oil or your carrier oil. I have used jojoba here, jojoba oil and coconut oil. Now if you live in very cold climates, you want to use you would want to use fractionated coconut oil, because these are this coconut oil, as you can see, it is solid at room temperature. But when it's mixed with jojoba oil, I find that it still stays a little bit like in this kind of you can see like in the bottom that's coconut oil, and on the top it's jojoba oil, so it doesn't solidify as quickly. So that's that. You can use sweet almond oil in place of these base oils, and you can use grapeseed oil. Will be a great option, and there's so many base oil to choose from. So whatever suits your need, you can use that. And the second thing we'll be using is vitamin E oil. It not only adds richness to your massage oil, it makes the oil last longer. So the next thing that comes into picture is essential oil. We need to mix it with our massage oil, our base oil, and a common rule of thumb is that for each tablespoon of oil, base oil used, you need to use 4 to 10 drops and not exceed 10 drops of essential oil. So for my floral note relaxing massage oil, I'm going to use lavender and jasmine. Both of them have very good relaxing properties, and they help in sleep, so I'm gonna use that. And for my sore muscle massage oil, I'm gonna use eucalyptus, lemongrass, and tea tree. You can substitute this with camphor, and also the floral note, you can change it whatever pleases your mood and your smell senses. You can add ylang ylang or rose absolute, so you can totally change the essential oils according to your preference. So all we have to do is melt the oils. As you can see, I have already done it on a double boiler, and you need I have taken half jojoba oil and half coconut oil, and just add the essential oils into your base oil, and we are done. Actually, that's it, that's the recipe. But here I have something extra to make it look more artistic. I have some dried chamomile. This is a whole Roman chamomile, and I have some dried lavender here. I got these from my local farmers market, and I use them to make infused oil. So I thought, why not? Let's put some in this massage oil. They will be seeping into the oil and giving out their benefits, and also they will look gorgeous. And so I'm gonna do that. So here we have, guys, our final product. I ended up adding lavender to my sore muscle relief massage oil because of its anti-inflammatory properties, and I added my Roman chamomile to my stress relieving massage oil. And I also forgot to mention that I added my vitamin E oil when my base oils were melted, and I poured them to the bottle. I added the vitamin E oil. So if you don't want the flowers to be rubbing onto your skin, you can totally filter this out. And I think I'm going to do that after it's been sitting for a few days. And if you don't mind it, then let it be there. It just adds to the artistic look of the product. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. And you can actually make this massage oil pretty much any time of year. And I really do. You hope, give it a try. And do subscribe to my channel, guys. Visit my page on Facebook and like it for more fun videos. And see you guys soon in another video. Till then, bye.